Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share notes in Google Keep in 2026. Sharing notes allows you to work with friends, classmates, family members, or teammates in real time. Let's get started. First, open Google Keep in your web browser and create a new note. Give the note a title, such as Shared Notes, and add some text below it. To share the note, click the collaborator icon at the bottom of the note. Enter the Gmail address of the person you want to share the note with, and then click Save. Once the note is shared, the other person can open the note with their Google account and edit it. Any changes made by either person will automatically sync in Google Keep. This feature is useful for study notes, team projects, shopping lists, and shared reminders. If you want to stop sharing the note, open the collaborator option again and remove the person from the note. That's how to share notes in Google Keep in 2026. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful Google tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.